Hey everybody, welcome back to this amazing channel. We are in the gym with Chef Babette. We're actually in her personal gym. 73 years young, looking absolutely amazing. Look how fit she is. Look at the stomach, her butt. It's insane. It's insane. So we're gonna find out her workout routine, her fitness and nutrition tips, what she eats pre and post workout, answer all your questions. So let's hop into it. How are you?
Okay, so check this out. Normally, I am so undisciplined when it comes to working out that I always employ a trainer. I really do need a trainer. I will go a lot harder with a trainer than I'm motivated to go on my own. So normally I have a trainer. However, when I was getting at the gym, before I busted my knee, I'd always start off with some type of anaerobic. So I would do spin. So I'd get on the bike.
You were going really fast on the treadmill when you busted out your knee. We talked about it in the last video.
Yeah, I was doing too much. But I would always start and I would do this for about 45 minutes. Now, of course, the seat is too high.
That's just to start out the workout?
But I would just heat up 45 minutes on the spin bike. Okay. And I'm hooking it up. And what I did was...
So that's a warm-up for you? 45 minutes on the bike? Okay.
That's the first thing I'm doing.
Okay.
So then I decided to get on the treadmill. Rather than just doing a walk, I decided to go, look at that number.
Yeah, you went up to 7, right? You're going to 7.
Oh, I can't. I got it. But anyway, so I could have actually done this.
Yeah.
You know? This would have sufficed. But no, I shot it up to 7 and ran.
So that's what you usually would do. The spin bike, then the treadmill, and then...
Look, y'all. Come on, you too. Here.
Yeah.
Grab this. Squat.
So how do we do proper squat?
Go as deep as you can. How's that feel?
Feels good.
Yeah, it does, huh?
So how many of these do you do?
Just whatever.
That's why your butt looks so good.
No, my booty ain't right yet.
Oh, come on. So what does this do for the body?
I don't know, this makes my arms strong.
Yeah.
So I like to kind of go as low as I possibly can and then pull myself up. Can you do this?
I don't know. I've never done it. I can try.
Just go as low as you go. Stay in your line.
Like that?
No, you're doing your arms. What are you doing?
This is why I'm...
It looks like you're about to have sex.
You... Wait, show me again. I forget how to go.
Lay back.
Like all the way down?
No. Arm, like that. Now, stretch your arm out. Now pull yourself up.
Like that.
There.
Whoa, Chef Babette. You're putting me to shame. Wow. And you're like 73. That's good though. I can see how that would be good once I get the hang of it.
There you go. You did it. Huh?
Wow. So usually you have a trainer and they...
Normally I have a trainer and they put me through it.
And it keeps you way more motivated?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And because he's going to give me sets. I want you to do this so many times. You know what I mean? And yeah. But I work really hard. And if I'm a show off, so I'm going to show off with the trainer
Yeah.
in the gym.
Yeah.
But if I'm by myself, who cares?
Yeah. Who cares?
So I don't do it as much. Isn't that something?
Yeah. And you feel strong, like as somebody who eats plant-based, vegan.
Always feel strong.
Yeah.
I make sure that I'm going to be able to do a proper push-up.
Yeah, somebody said they wanted us to do a push-up competition, but you're definitely going to lead that.
Get down there and get up.
Oh, here we go, guys.
All right, just do 2, 1, 2. Now get up without holding on. See?
Like that? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
But
Okay.
if you're all the way down on the floor, how would you get up?
Yeah.
That's important.
Okay.
Make sure you're not using your hands for everybody.
Yeah. And what, like before you come to the gym, what does a meal look like for you?
Juicing.
Juicing? And that's how you have a lot of energy probably, right?
Yeah.
And then what about after, post-workout?
Juicing.
Juicing?
I
Yeah.
don't eat a whole bunch because I'm so early in the morning. Everything starts like 3, 4 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So if
True.
I'm not having fruit, then it's just some juice.
Yeah.
Afterwards, some juice. I don't get
Yeah.
hungry till around noon or so.
Yeah. Okay. And how do you get this flat stomach?
I don't know.
It's so flat.
You know what though? My mother, when I was a kid,
Yeah.
she used to always tell me to suck my stomach in. She would, I didn't know why. She used to always say, pull your stomach in.
Oh, really?
So she used to make me walk around with my
Yeah.
gut sucked in.
And maybe it just,
It's not as flat as
maybe it
yours.
just stayed that. No, you got a flat level going on here.
What are you talking about?
No, you do. Yeah, okay, so Chef Babette put out, she usually works out so much, but she threw out her knee trying to show
Yeah.
off on the
I
treadmill.
was showing off.
And so you look this good even taking a break from the gym because you've built it up so much, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, okay.
Exactly.
Okay,
Yeah.
and any tips for beginners who are maybe plant-based
Don't
vegan?
Stay in your lane. Don't try to do too much. Do you. And I told somebody the other day, I started my push-ups with 1 push-up. And every day I would add another push-up if I could. And if I couldn't, I just went back to what I did the day before. And eventually I got strong enough for my 72nd birthday. I did 100 push-ups in the restaurant total. So it started off with like 25 and then 15 and then sets of 10 till I got to 100.
That's a lot.
At 72 years old. But I started with 1. Same with planks. Planks, do you do them?
No, I can't do, I've never done a plank. Let's see.
Girl, get down.
I know, I gotta step it up. No, I wanna be like you, like
All right,
this.
so plank. Yeah, there you go.
Like that?
Yeah.
Now what do? We just
And so
stay?
you just you normally I would count. I normally I can do an 8-minute plank. However,
What?
no, the way I do them is I may do a side, turn over to this side. Maybe I'm gonna come up, and I stay in each position so long.
Wow.
You understand? Until I
See, and
Yeah,
why is
it's
it so
8 minutes.
important we have this strength? It's important, right? Because if you didn't have this strength at this age, who knows, your 70s and 80s, then you fall, you could break stuff, right?
No, listen, it goes deeper than that. I have a brand new, beautiful bathtub in that bathroom. So it is so deep. Do you know how much it takes to get down in that tub and then to get myself out of that tub? If I wasn't strong enough, I wouldn't be able to get in or out of the tub. I'd have to stand there and take a shower. Strength is everything.
You're making me realize that.
It is.
And any of us can get strong, right? I can
Any-
get strong like you if I practice.
Any of us.
Yeah.
Girl, please. Look at humans.
Yeah.
And you got some of the strongest cut humans that don't eat any animal products on the planet. You know?
You're one
But
of
I'm
them.
getting ready to get awesome up in here. Next time you see me, it's gonna be
Yeah.
I'm gonna be damn near naked up in here.
I love it. You are such an inspiration. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some inspiration to hit the gym because I know I did. I want to get strong. I want to be healthy in my 40s, 50s, 60s,
She
70s,
doesn't
80s, 90s.
wanna, She's gonna.
Yeah, I'm gonna. So yeah, thank you again so much for having
Yes,
us.
honey.
Love you.
Thank you.
Be sure to subscribe. Go follow Chef Babette. I'll put everything below and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.